This is Brady at Wicked Bros Outdoors. We're doing some fishing today. Mainly bass, but Caleb's doing some pan fishing.
Crappie and bluegill. Good eating.
See if we can catch some. Weather's pretty good. It's not too cold and it's not too hot. Hopefully the fish will bite. Water's relatively calm. There's a slight breeze, but overall it's a pretty good day. Getting any hits yet, Brady?
No, but I've seen them out there. I haven't bit it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Wicked Bros Outdoors episode. Today we're fishing.
In my pocket right now, can you just caught a fish?
That, number 2.
The little fella there.
So Brady just caught one. He caught it right over here in the shade. And I guess they're schooling over here. So probably going to break out that old reliable black and blue jig and see what we can do over here.
Got the first one for the evening, finally, after Caleb got one already. Kenny! They're swimming around like crazy right there. They've been hitting non-stop, finally got one. Number 2 so far. How many's Caleb caught? 2?
Yeah.
Brady, you've caught what, 0?
Yeah.
And you've caught 0. So, Caleb and I are the only ones on the board.
For luck for a deer.
As you can see, the water is pretty calm today for beginning of October here in Pennsylvania. Slight breeze, but it's a good breeze. It's not one that's gonna mess up your cast or mess with the water too much.
Well, we had some successful fishing. Had some, Brady caught one, caught 2 I think actually. I think they got that on Jake's phone. And now we're heading back up to the bigger lake. And I have this little crappie box right here, for not only for crappie but like just pan fish in general. So I'm gonna rig this up and go catch some crappies or bluegill. Don't know if I'm gonna keep them, but just out here having fun.
Setup you using, Caleb?
Well, got a little crappie setup, maybe for bluegill as well. Basically, I guess you could say a panfish setup.
What's Jake using?
Jake is using a saw craw, like 10,000 fish. It's just a little craw imitation that you can put on a jig. You can throw it on a chatterbait. You can even throw it on a spinnerbait if you really want to. Or you can just simply Texas rig it.
Finally get one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little guy. Fish is a fish.
not bad.
Brady decided to ditch us to go hunting. Best of luck to him, hoping he can get himself a booner tonight. See how it goes. Good luck, Brady.